how to send crypto or money to someone on Coinbase. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a balance to someone on Coinbase easy and fast. So first thing, go to coinbase.com and log into your account, and after that it will take you to this page. Now you need to go here in the top and click on send/receive. Click on it and now choose the amount of money that you want to send. You can choose what crypto that you want to pay with. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, Ethereum, and here you go. Now here you need to write the email or the address or the mobile of the person that you want to send him, and here you need to write an optional message. After you finish, click continue, and this amount of money it will be sent. And if you want to send with Ethereum, for example, just click here and you will send the money as Ethereum. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.